Hi, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can reset your Galaxy Buds Plus using your software. So you can't reset it directly with this Galaxy Buds Plus. You have to go to your Galaxy Wearable app to reset it. So first, let's tap on the home key to go back to your home screen, and then we're going to swipe up and we're going to go into the Samsung folder and open up Galaxy Wearable. Once it is open up, you need to connect to the Galaxy Buds in order for you to reset it. So once it is connected, you can go down and tap on General and tap on Reset Earbuds, and then tap on Reset. It's now resetting the earbuds. Now the reason why you might want to reset this Galaxy Buds is because perhaps one of the earbuds is not working, and sometimes you might need to reset it. But sometimes resetting the Galaxy Buds itself will not get it back to working again. So if you have a trouble of connecting to one of the buds, for example the left one or the right one, then you can also try to troubleshoot. I will include a link to the video that will show you how you can try to troubleshoot with your Galaxy Buds not working. So if you try to reset and still it's not working, then perhaps you can follow the instruction from the videos in the description and see how you go with that one as well. And that's it. But that's how you can reset your Galaxy Buds Plus with your Galaxy Wearable. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.